going to learn about Indian Ocean in an easy way. So without wasting time, let's begin. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world after the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It covers 20% of the Earth's surface. Next is the area. 426,000 square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia on the north. Here is Asia. Africa on the west. Australia on the east. Let's see the maximum depth. Its maximum depth is 7.258 meter. Let's see the maximum length. Its maximum length is 9.600 meter. Let's see the maximum width. Its maximum width is 7,600 kilometers. The Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean in the world. It has the lowest oxygen content in the world, earlier known as Eastern Ocean. The Indian Ocean has the volume of 264 million cubic kilometers or 19.8% of ocean volume. The Indian Ocean is getting 20 cm wider every year. The Indian Ocean connects 57 island groups, 16 African countries, 23 Asian countries and Australia together and is a very important hub. The deepest point of the Indian Ocean is the Sunda Trench, also known as Java Trench, located near the southern part of Java, Indonesia. The maximum depth of the ocean there is 25,344 feet. Here is Madagascar, Comoros, Seychelles, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are the 6 island nations of the Indian Ocean. The major sources of fresh water are Ganga River, Brahmaputra River, and Indus River. The Indian Ocean and underwater mountain range named the 90 East Ridge. In the Indian Ocean, which divides the eastern and western region of the Indian Ocean, the name of the mountain range is thus because it is located at the center of the eastern hemisphere along with the 9th meridian. Archipelago countries. First, what is archipelago countries? Archipelago is the term of the group and groups of islands. Japan, Maldives and Indonesia are archipelago countries. Indonesia is the largest archipelago country in the world. It has more than 17.500 islands. The Indian Ocean to many seas and other large bodies of water. Among them are Arabian Sea. Here is Arabian Sea. Andaman Sea. Here is Andaman Sea. Bay of Bengal. Here is Bay of Bengal. Flores Sea. Here is Flores Sea. Here is Java Sea. Here is Sobu Sea. Here is Timor Sea. Here is Great Australian Bight. Here is Strait of Malacca. Here is Mozambique Channel. Here is Gulf of Oman. Here is Persian Gulf. Here is Gulf of Aden. Here is Red Sea. And here is Laccadive Sea. So these are the seas of Indian Ocean. Madagascar, the world's fourth largest island on the planet and bigger than Spain, Thailand, Sweden and Germany. The most unique and famous plant found in Madagascar are baobab tree. The octopus trees are another commonly found plant in Madagascar. More than 50% of the world chameleon population is found on Madagascar. There are 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites here. There are 2 natural and 1 cultural sites here. These include the Zingi of Barmaraha, the rainforest of Oceanic, and the Royal Hill of Andinarana. It's paradise of wildlife lovers. The Rodriguez Triple Junction is a geographic triple junction where 3 tectonic plates meet. The African plate, the Antarctic plate, and the Australian plate. So this is Rodriguez Triple Junction. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Sundarban has the world's largest coastal mangrove forest, around 10,000 kilometers square. It has total of 102 islands. The 60% of the forest is situated in Bangladesh. The most unique thing in Sundarban is Royal Bengal tiger, dolphins and birds also. Sundarban, which was named after a mangrove tree named Sundari, it has a total of 334 plant species. Gosaba, the biggest inhabited islands on Sundarban. Maldives is also an archipelago country in South Asia situated in the Indian Ocean. Maldives is the world's flattest country. It consists of a chain of about 1,200 small coral islands and sandbanks. Maldives is slowly sinking. It has the biggest whale shark population in the world. The Maldives is irresistible with its wide beaches, turquoise sea, blue lagoons, colorful marine life and many palm trees. It's home to majority of the Earth's marine turtle species. The lost continent. In recent years, scientists have located remains of a lost continent in the Indian Ocean. They have named the undiscovered landmass Mauritius. A debate over the boundary. Geographers and scientists debate over the southern boundary of the ocean. Some opine that the Indian Ocean is stretched southwards to the coast of Antarctica, while others, mostly Australian, are of the view that the water near Antarctica is the part of Antarctic Ocean. Garbage path. Indian Ocean's garbage paths cover a massive area, at least 5 million square kilometers. Natural disaster and tsunami. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami killed around 200,000 people in Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Thailand and other countries. Cyclone Nargis. On 2 May 2008, Cyclone Nargis made landfall in Myanmar. crossing the south of the country over 2 days and devastating the Irrawaddy Delta region. According to official figures, 84,500 people were killed and 53,800 went missing. The Indian Ocean, the second most populated ocean in the world, billions of plastic material is dumped into the Indian Ocean each year. An international group of scientists has documented widespread population covering about 10 million square kilometers of the tropical Indian Ocean, roughly the same area as the continent United States. Up to 15 million tons of plastic make its way into the Indian Ocean each year, contaminating it with a trillion pieces of plastic and making it the world's second most populated ocean after the North Pacific. The blue whale is the largest animal in the Indian Ocean and the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. The blue whale can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh upwards of 200 tons. The blue whale tongue weighs as much as an elephant and its heart weighs as heavy as an automobile. It's hard to believe an animal can grow so huge on a diet of tiny krill, but apparently eating 4 tons a day. Unique creatures found in Indian Ocean. Batfish found in Indian Ocean. Silicate fish, an extremely rare species of fish. The Indian Ocean is home of several types of animals, and coral reefs of Africa and Australia provide breeding for hundreds of tropical animals and other marine animals. The island country of Madagascar is a primary breeding area for humpback whales. Let's see some famous animals of Indian Ocean. Longfin mako shark, big-eye tuna, marine angelfishes, petrous miles, emperor angelfish, scaly-foot gastropod, cookie cutter shark, sulican, stonefishes, conger eel, bride's whale, humphead bristle, giant oarfish, green sea turtle, Christmas Island red crab, big fin reef squid, zebra shark, leatherback sea turtle, African penguin, butterfly fish, duckworm, Hyrocombrinae, bonitos, giant cave, mahi-mahi, box jellyfish, yellowfin tuna, dragon merry eel, yellow boxfish, cuttlefish, pufferfish, lobsters, and many more. So these are the famous animals of Indian Ocean. Let's see the famous plants of Indian Ocean. Eelgrass, sea grass, a common plant in the Indian Ocean. Phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are an important plant group found in all oceans, including the Indian Ocean. Seaweed. So these are the famous plants of Indian Ocean. Let's see some famous islands in Indian Ocean. Andaman Island, which is here. The Andaman Islands are an archipelago in the northeastern Indian Ocean. The Andaman comprises more than 300 islands, North, Middle and South Andaman. Nicobar Island, which is here. Total 22 islands. Sri Lanka, it is here. It has 30 plus islands. Sri Lanka is considered to be the world's 25th largest island by area. Lakshadweep, it is here. is an archipelago of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. Socotra. It is here. Socotra Archipelago is the northwest Indian Ocean near the Gulf of Aden, is 250 kilometers long and comprises 4 islands and 2 rocky islets. Banyak Island. It is here. The Banyak Island is an archipelago of 99 islands. Seychelles Islands. It is here. Is located in the Somali Sea. The world's heaviest tortoise, Esperalta, live in Seychelles. Seychelles is home to the world's largest population of giant tortoise. Seychelles is the only home to the jellyfish tree. Seychelles Archipelago is made up of 115 islands in the Western Indian Ocean. British Indian Ocean Territory. It is here. Comoros. It is here. The Comoros Archipelago consists of 4 islands which lie on the Mozambique Channel between the north of Madagascar and Mozambique. Madagascar. It is here. Mauritius. It is here. The Republic of Mauritius comprises of 4 islands. Reunion Islands. Cocos Islands. The Cocos Killing Islands are an atoll of 27 islands, of which only 2 inhabitants. Christmas Islands. Here is Christmas Islands. Christmas Islands is located in the Indian Ocean 1,500 km west of the Australia mainland, 2,600 km from Perth. Barrow Islands. It is here. Barrow is a 202 square kilometers. Amsterdam Island. It is here. Amsterdam Island is a small French island territory that is situated in the southern Indian Ocean. Edward Island. It is here. Edward Island are 2 small inhabitant islands. King Islands. It is here. Crozet Islands. Which is here. Crozet Archipelago comprises 193 square miles on 5 main volcanic islands. Kerguelen Islands. Which is here. The Kerguelen Islands are an overseas territory of France located in the southern Indian Ocean. Maldives. Which is here. It consists of a chain of about 1,200 small coral islands. So these are the group of islands of Indian Ocean. Some of the world's most important and historical trending ports are in the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the massive source of oil. The world gets 40% its oil supply from the depths of the Indian Ocean. Hope you all learned the Indian Ocean. See you next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.